Hi everyone, it's Joel, short for Jolene. Today I'm going to be reviewing the Makartt Nail Dust Collector. As you can see, it got a little damaged in shipping, but that's okay because the item itself is in perfect condition. So when unboxing, the first thing I opened was the extension, the adapter that plugs right into the side of the unit, and then the unit itself. And it really did come packaged nicely, very snug in the foam box, and it just looked beautiful. I mean, I just love the aesthetic of it. I love how it comes with its little manual there, I guess, for like, you know, taking care of it and everything. But it's pretty self-explanatory. I do love that it has the filter that's so easily, you know, you can insert it, remove it, and then you can order more off the Makartt site. And then it shows the little hole there where you plug the adapter in. Okay, so here it is set up. I wanted you to be able to hear the fan, and I just love how easy it is to change the filter, and it's a nice sleek design. It's just very neat. So let's turn the fan on. So it goes pretty high. It's like get ready for takeoff. You can feel the suction. So I am going to cut down and file these nails, and we'll see how good this works. So after I file the bulk of the nail down, what I do is I soak it in some warm acetone using this really cool dish that I got from Amazon. It actually came in a set of 2. So then when that's all done, I just use some cuticle oil and it's a wrap, and my nails are healthy and ready for another set. I really highly recommend this nail dust collector. Please like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.